Welcome to CBSE Science Experiments. Today I am going to discuss about the differences between monocotyledonous plant and dicotyledonous plant. Actually, monocotyledonous plants have some specific characteristic features and dicotyledonous plants also have some specific characteristic features. So today we shall discuss about them comparatively. I have taken two types of plant. One is dicotyledonous plant and another is monocotyledonous plant. This is a dicotyledonous plant and this is a monocotyledonous plant. So what are the differences? First we will discuss about the specific characters of the root in the case of monocotyledonous plant. In the case of monocotyledonous plant, you will see the root system is little different than this dicotyledonous plant. What is the difference? The difference is that the root system in the case of monocotyledonous plant is fibrous root system, and in the case of dicotyledonous plant this is taproot system. Now let me tell you what is a fibrous root system. The fibrous root system, if you see carefully, you can see here all the roots are just arises from the base of the stem. This is the stem and this is the base of the stem. So from the base of the stem all the roots are generated. You can see all the roots are coming out from the base of the stem and it has no main root, means it has no main root system. No main root is there. All the roots are just arises from the base of the stem and it is just a fiber like structure. So many roots coming out togetherly. So that's why this type of root system is called fibrous root system. And if we look at the dicotyledonous plant, the root system is taproot system. Why it is taproot system? Because it has, you will see, this is the stem and just from the along with the stem, and so this is the underground portion. Suppose this is stem and this is the root system, and in this root system one main root is present. In this root system one main root is present. This is the main root. Okay, this is the main root, and from this main root so many other side roots arises. These are the side roots. Side roots arises. Okay, so this is the main root and these are the side roots. So this type of root is called taproot system. For this reason this type of root system is called taproot system. So in the case of monocotyledonous plant the root system is fibrous root. In the case of dicotyledonous plant the root system is taproot system. On the other hand, so this is all about the difference between the taproot system and fibrous root system. Now if I go towards leaf, see these leaves are actually, its venation is parallel venation. Its venation is parallel venation. Okay, means all the veins are parallel with each other and no veins will interact with each other. So that's why this type of venation is parallel venation, and it can be seen in the case of monocotyledonous plant. Grass is one type of monocotyledonous plant. Rice also one type of monocotyledonous plant. So these are monocotyledonous plant and its root is parallel type. So, by the help of roots, leaf is parallel venation. Leaf is having parallel venation. So, by observing the venation, by observing the venation system of leaf, we can understand, we can guess, we can tell the root system, underground root system also we can tell. If the plant is having parallel venation, means its root system will obviously fibrous root system. Okay, so parallel leaf and fibrous root system. Okay, and in the case of other, in the other case, means in the case of dicotyledonous plant, you can see the leaf is having reticulate venation. What is the meaning of reticulate venation? You can see one main vein is there. This is the main vein, and other side veins are interact with each other to form a net-like structure. So that's why this type of venation is called reticulate venation. This type of venation is called reticulate venation. So by observe, if you see that plant is having reticulate venation, means it must will have a taproot system. Okay, so taproot system and reticulate venation is interrelated. Fibrous root system and parallel venation is interrelated. And this is dicotyledonous plant and this is monocotyledonous plant. Why it is having dicotyledonous plant? If I see the seed, if I observe the seeds, the structure of seed, that time you will see that this type of plants is having a seed which contain two cotyledons, and this type of seed, this type of plants seed, if we observe, that type of seed will contain only one cotyledon. So that's why it is called monocotyledonous plant, and this is called dicotyledonous plant. So what is the difference between monocotyledonous and dicotyledonous plant? First difference is that monocotyledonous plant will have fibrous root system, dicotyledonous plant will have taproot system, monocotyledonous plant will have parallel venation in their leaf, dicotyledonous plants will have reticulate venation in their leaf, and monocotyledonous plant will have only one cotyledon in their seed, and dicotyledonous plants will have two cotyledons in their seed. These are the major three differences between monocot and dicot. Okay, so some examples of monocotyledonous plants, some example is rice, maize, grass. These are the examples of monocotyledonous plant. And on the other hand, dicotyledonous plant, so many plants are there, like guava, mango. These are the dicotyledonous plant. Okay, gram, pea. So these all are the dicotyledonous plant. So this is the matter today. We discuss up to this much. Thank you.